Hello and welcome to lesson 159. We are going to do some more division, but this time we are going to be picturing our division. They gave you the TPs and the arrowheads last time, but now you have to picture it this time. And we are on page 321 and then 322 on the back. But I'm going to start off, and we're going to kind of visit back with Matt and Patty, but do you remember the chief that they went and visited? His name is Chief Roaring Bear, and I'm going to start off with a story problem this time. We have Chief Roaring Bear, and he had 15 workers come to help him besides Matt and Patty. There were 15. And he wanted to divide them into 3 teams because he needed to work on 3 different areas. So he needed some to go over here and some to go here and some to go there. So he needed 3 teams to help him prepare the model beaver village for the festival that was coming up. So we want to know how many workers are going to be in each team. Well, let's see. If I want to divide them into 3 teams, let's just put 3 boxes up here. 1, 2, 3. And let's start dividing these 15 people into these boxes. So we said there was 15 workers total. Okay, 15. So let's start just by putting 1 in each group. We got 1, 1, 1. That's 3 total, right? So let's keep counting. We have 4, 5, 6 workers, 7, 8, 9 workers, 10, 11, 12 workers, 13, 14, 15. That's all the workers, and we did it equally because we put 1 in each group before we went and put a second one in each group and then a third. So how many workers are there going to be on each team? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's going to be 5 on each team. We just divided these 15 workers into 3 teams, or into 3 different sets, didn't we? So that's like saying if we have 15 workers and we divide them into 3 teams, how many is going to be in each team? That's going to equal 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay? Now on your paper today, they're going to tell you to divide a certain number, and you can pretend like they're workers, and they're going to tell you how many sets to divide them into. So let me help you. It's really easy if you start with these boxes and you just start adding 1 in each one, and when you fill 1 in each box, come to another. So let's look at this. If we have 20 divided into sets of 4. Into sets of 4. So let's get our set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is what you're going to be drawing in here. Okay. We have 20. We have to divide it into sets of 4. So here's my 4 sets. Use these boxes to represent how many you're supposed to divide it into. Now we're dividing 20 into those sets. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I mean, this is almost like you're getting ready to play a game and you're dealing each person a card until they're all gone. This time you had 20 cards and you wanted to divide them into 4 different sets, a good 4 different people. And so we want everyone to have the same amount when we're playing these card games, right? So what is that going to be? How many are in each set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 in each set. So on your worksheet, they're going to ask for a second part. There are how many in each set. Okay, so remember, what you're doing is they're giving you a number and they want you to divide that number into a certain number of sets. So let's look at another number. Let's say we had 20 again. But this time we wanted to divide it into sets of 5. 20 divided into sets of 5. Well, get your 5 sets out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just squeeze another one down here. And we have 20 again, so let's, just like we're dealing cards, give each person 1, each set 1. Here we go until we get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And how many are in each set? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you have 4 in each set. 1, 4. Yep. So that way we know they're equal sets. So 20 divided into sets of 5 gives you 4 in each set. So I want you to practice that on your paper today. Also review your number line jumps. This time they want to know how many sets of 2 can be subtracted from 8. So start on 8 and jump backwards 2. And so that would be 8 minus 2 would give you 6. Jump back 2 more. So we're on 6. Take away 2 more would give you 4. And then bounce 2 more. So we started on 4. Take away 2 more. What does that give you? And figure out your answer there. I don't want to give it to you. I want to see if you remember how to do that. Also, we got the same on the back. You have to picture it. And then they give you a little sentence at the bottom. They want you to finish it. Okay, so see if you can do that for me. And remember, we're dividing them into different sets. So you can use boxes or rectangles for your sets. Okay. All right. I will see you next lesson. Bye.